In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your creative work from Base44 and bring it into Wix seamlessly and efficiently. Whether you're moving over your entire code or just some essential assets, this process will guide you in maintaining the integrity and design of your original project. First things first, you'll need to export your Base44 project. Base44 provides a handy export feature specifically for this purpose. This tool allows you to either download all your code, grab only selected assets, or both. Make sure you have your files stored in a safe location, such as a dedicated folder on your computer, so you'll easily find them later when uploading to Wix. Now that we have those files tucked away, it's time to turn our attention to Wix. Open up Google Chrome and log into your Wix account. Using Chrome is recommended not only for compatibility, but also for ensuring the smoothest experience possible. Once you're logged in, you have two choices: create a new site from scratch, or go with one you've already got. If you're starting fresh, click on the option to set up a new site and follow the prompts to give it a name and select any templates if necessary. If you're modifying an existing site, simply open it up so we can start the import process. With your Wix site ready, the next step is getting your files from Base44 into your new environment. Wix's Editor is a powerful tool that lets you upload HTML files, images, and other media directly. It's very user-friendly, with drag and drop capabilities that make it easy to bring in those elements you safely exported from Base44. You may also decide to manually recreate some pages using Wix's design tools, which can be particularly useful if you're trying to take advantage of some of Wix's dynamic content options or visual styles. Now comes a crucial part of the transition: adjusting the settings within Wix to make sure your design matches up with the original from Base44 as closely as possible. This might include selecting the right color palette, font styles, page layouts, and widgets. Spend some time navigating through the settings and use the template editor to refine the look and feel of your site, ensuring any branding or design elements align with your initial project's vision. Finally, after you've uploaded your content and tweaked the settings, it's time to preview your work. Wix offers a preview feature that allows you to experience your site the way your visitors will, making it easy to spot any inconsistencies or areas that need a little extra polish. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, simply hit the publish button, and voila! Your site is live. And there you have it. Transferring your Base44 project to Wix isn't just about moving over files. It's about carefully crafting a new home for your content while keeping its essence intact. Happy designing, and good luck with your new website.